OSPF SLA types. In the previous video, I talked about the SLA types from 1 through 5. So those are router SLA, network SLA, summary SLA, summary ASBR SLA, and autonomous system external SLA. In this video, I'm just going to talk about Type 7 external or Type 7 AS external SLA or Not-So-Stubby area SLA. Let me just fix this. So let me just read this part here. I got this from this document. So it says, what do we mean by link states? OSPF is a link state protocol. We could think of a link as being an interface of the router. The state of the link is a description of that interface and of its relationship to its neighboring routers. A description of the interface would include, for example, the IP address of the interface, the mask, the type of network it is connected to, the routers connected to that network, and so on. A collection of these all link states would form a link state database. And of course, uh, the link state, for you to check that the link state of a router, you would use this command here, or there's actually another command, which is that. But I think this is not supported in the versions that I have, at least uh, on these routers here. All right, so what is external SLA or NSSA SLA? So let's actually look at the topology here. So as you can see, area 1 is area 1 is a NNSA area, which doesn't allow external SLAs type 5. To overcome this, we are generating type 7 SLAs instead. So yeah, so it just means that we cannot, this area here doesn't allow type 5 external SLAs. So SLA, yeah. So we can instead generate type 7 external SLA. And our R3 here is actually a ASBR, and it's advertising this loopback here into, no, there's another loopback actually. It is this IP address based on my configuration here. Router 3, where are you? Router 3 here. And we can also verify that, of course, by checking the OSPF configurations. OSPF. Yeah, it's here. It's advertising, or it's redistributing the connected subnets. So in this case, this IP address on that loopback 1, not 0. Yeah. All right. So yeah, so that's why we have this type 7 external SLA. And let me just go back here. So we have OSPF area 0 and OSPF area 1. And we just saw the OSPF configurations on R3. And let me just do the same command on R2, and R1. All right, so we see that both R2 and R3 has, I mean, belong to area not so stubby. What do you call this again? Yeah, not so stubby area. And yeah, so uh, let's discuss the Type 7 external SLA. So let me just do that command OSP show IP OSPF database on R3. So as you can see, R3 is actually generating the Type 7 external SLA. It's actually say actually says link states, not not SLA, but these are all link state advertisements actually. So that's why I think it's called SLA, not links, not LS. I mean, at least the this this document here. But yeah, going back, R3 is generating this Type 7 AS external link. Um, sorry, Type 7 AS external SLA. Did I say? Yeah. And we can verify that by looking at this here. Advertising router is router 3. This is router 3 router ID. And we can verify that as well by doing this command here. And let me check R2 OSPF database. We can see here that so R2 belongs to area 0 and NSSA not so stubby area. So we see that uh, it has the Type 7 AS external SLA. Advertising router is R3 again, and the link ID is this. And it also advertising it to other area, in our case area 0, and we can verify that by looking at this here. Advertising router is router 2 and link ID is this. And if we go to, and this is by the way types 5 AS external SLA. And if we go to R1, we should see that um, link ID as a type 5. Yeah, it's here. So advertising router is router 2, which is ASBR, and this is the link ID here. And if we actually go check the uh, OSPF, I mean the routing table, we can see that it's actually E2, yeah, external type 2. But if we go to R2 and we check show IP OSPF, no, show IP route OSPF, we see that this is a here NSSA external type 2 because R2 is learning this from R1. I mean from R3, sorry. Here from R3. But from R3 we will not see that because of course other routes, I mean the connected routes, it will be installed in the routing table, not the OSPF route. Yeah, uh, there. So yeah, it is the route that is installed in the routing table is the connected route, not the OSPF route. We can verify that here. All right, so that's how you can actually verify the Type 7 AS external link. Sorry, Type 7 AS external SLA, LSA, or NSSA SLA on uh, on the routers in this topology at least. All right, thanks for watching and I'll see you again on the next one.